In this video, I'm going to show you how to add image zoom hover effect on Wix. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have added a black section. So what I can do is I can actually head over and add an element right here. Just click on add element. And then once you have done that, they should be able to see in here the hover option. So if you can see the hover option right here, just head over and click on the search bar right here. It's actually on the boxes, but if you can just see it, just run a search. So head over to the box, click on hover boxes, and then just choose the image or the template you want to use. So for me, I will just use this one right here, and I will just drag this onto the section that I have created. So I will drag this just right here. And then as you can see, it will be added just like this. So what you can do is you can actually just remove some elements. Like for example, you want to remove this text, just delete that. Then also delete this triangle or this rectangle right here. And then in here, you can see these options right here for change design. But for this one, let's just click on the image right here, wherein you can actually change the image itself. So let's click on this change image right here. And then let's try to change the image. So for example, I want to add the image of this dog. I can just click on that and click on this choose image. Now, once I have done that, it will change right here. And as you can see, it has been changed. Now, once we are done editing and designing everything, we just need to head over and click on this hover right here. So once we click on hover, we can actually see what it will look like. So first, let's choose an effect. And then let's use some effect in here. So you can choose this grow effect right here, which allows it to grow. So when you play it, it will look like this. Or you can also choose to shrink it, just like that. You can also skew. And you can also rotate it if you want. So just choose the effect that you want. So for me, I'll just choose this row right here. It looks like this right here. Then once you have done that, you can also customize the timing. So you can add in the duration. Stream L, just add in the 1 second duration. And then from in there, you can also put in some easing in and easing out options. So once you're done with that, just stay. And once you're satisfied with how it looks like, you can actually just save that. Now let's exit the hover mode. Then from in there, once you have clicked on this specific image, you can also just link it on a specific part of your website. So you can link it on a page, Ravages, section, or anchor here. So I will link it on this specific section, which is the subscribe section. Then click on done. And then once you have done that, it will be linked. And once you have clicked on that, it will actually redirect you to the website or this section that we have linked. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add image zoom hover effect on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!